Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Xbox Game Bar not opening on Windows 11. First, open the Settings app on your PC. On the left side, click Gaming, then select Xbox Game Bar. Make sure the option called Allow your controller to open Game Bar is turned on. If this setting is disabled, Game Bar may not open properly. Next, go back to the main settings page and click Apps, then Installed Apps. In the search bar, type Xbox Game Bar. Once you find it, click the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Repair. Windows will try to fix the app without removing your data. After the repair is finished, test Xbox Game Bar again by pressing Windows key plus G. If it still does not open, return to the same page and click Reset. This will completely reset the app settings and can fix deeper problems causing the issue. If the app is still broken, you may need to reinstall Xbox Game Bar using PowerShell. Right-click the Start button and open Terminal as administrator. Then type this command and press Enter. Get axe package Microsoft.Xbox Gaming Overlay Vertical Bar, remove axe package. After that, open the Microsoft Store, search for Xbox Game Bar, and install it again. Finally, restart your computer. A simple restart can help Windows reload important gaming services and fix temporary issues. After the restart, try opening Xbox Game Bar again using Windows key plus G. Thanks for watching.